Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a new battery on a Galaxy S7 Edge. We're gonna start by using our razor blade. I like to start in the middle, right here. It's one of the easiest way to do it. I lift it a little bit, just enough to slide one piece of very thin, like what's it called, business card or any piece of paper. And you find very thin paper but a little bit strong. Okay, now then I just insert that paper a little bit. I'm gonna apply more heat, and basically we're gonna just apply heat and slide this paper like this. You guys can see how it goes. So I'm gonna do it the same way all the way around. Alright, and it's gonna open that easy. Okay, it's just a technique. I know you guys might have a little hard time, but just follow that instruction and you'll succeed. It's all about the heat. Don't let it get cold. And you see? Okay, now we're gonna remove some screws that are in our way. Okay, we're gonna use our Phillips screwdriver, and we have let's check it out: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 screws. Alright, this plastic is it's gonna come out in 3 pieces. What I do is I like to use my razor blade, and I go like this. There we go. That's the first one, and I lift this one a little bit. The second one. That's it. I'm gonna flip it and do the same on the top. Woo! That just went flying, don't worry. Right there. We're gonna put it on the side. And here we got the battery exposed. If you want to replace the charging port on this phone, it's gonna be a very hard time. How I usually do it is if the whole cable is not damaged, I just replace I solder a new USB connector. This one right here, but it's a very tough job. If you guys request the video, I can do it for you. Okay, but today we're focusing on the battery. All right, we're gonna use a flat tool, which I have right here, and the same way, just go on one of the sides and pry the battery. This battery is no good, it's draining very fast, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace it. It has pretty strong adhesive. The phone is still hot, it's still warm, so we're just going to go ahead and remove the battery like this. See, that's the old battery. That's the glue. Even with the battery looks like this, it's still good, don't worry about it. Is the adhesive that they put to hold the battery in place. We got another battery, and I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on this side. I have some right here. I'm gonna put new adhesive on the side. We don't want that battery to be jumping all over the place, so it's better for you to do that. And just one little strip is okay. You don't have to go crazy on it. Okay, there you go. Okay, now that we have our new battery, what I'm gonna do first is connect it. Why I do this? Because I don't want to put the battery all the way down or all the way to the top. As you see, we have a little gaps, so I just want to make it perfect. And if I put it too much down, the cable might not reach, or the way up is gonna be the cable is not gonna just lay down nice and easy like this. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and put back our little parts. So this is the way I do it. I put the top first. Second, I slide this one underneath that one, and from here I can start tight some screws. Okay, and just by the way, I recommend you to remove the screws and don't let them fly away like I did. That's not a good idea. After we put all these screws, I'm gonna just have put a little bit of this B9000 all the way around. Let me just clean them up. All the way around, just a little bit. Don't apply too much, because it still has the all adhesive. Just for a little bit of help. All right, and we're just gonna put this back cover back in place. All right, just like this. Make sure it's tight. There we go. There we go. We can even hear the click. And from here we're gonna turn on our phone. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace the Galaxy S7 battery. Here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please, any suggestions for future videos, don't forget to comment down below. Just give me a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.